Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify market trends with Trulia easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify market trends with Trulia, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Trulia website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the city or neighborhood you want to research. Click on the search icon or press enter. On the results page, select the option that best matches your search. This will take you to the property listings for that area. Scroll down to find the Market Trends section on the right side of the page. Here, you will see an overview of the market statistics for the selected area. Pay attention to key metrics like median sales price, price per square foot, and average days on the market. Review the graphs that display historical data to understand price trends over time. If available, explore the rental market trends to see how rental prices compare. Consider using the filters to focus on specific types of properties, such as single-family homes or condos. Take note of any significant changes or patterns in the data presented. For a deeper analysis, compare these trends to similar neighborhoods using the same steps. Once you have gathered all necessary data, analyze it to make informed decisions. Lastly, remember to bookmark the page for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.